Today we'll talk about how can you link it accounts on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on this sign down here, you just click on it. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do on next time here, so you just go down and you click here on linked accounts here. And next you click on linked accounts. You come to next step here, and here can you link it with your Facebook here, or and link with your Google, or link with it if you have doesn't link it before. That's all. I wish you are good. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.